Now doing the stretching. Okay, I need to do more work on you.
Oh, okay. Oh, fuck. That was hectic. Wow.
Wow. You alright?
I feel like my whole neck cracked.
And just a little bit stretching here. Okay.
Oof.
You alright?
So good.
Back into the right
So
place.
good, yeah.
Ooh,
Oh, man.
already gone.
Oh,
That was a lot one.
that was, yeah. A few ones there.
First needle, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Feeling right?
Mm-hmm.
How are you feeling?
Did you put it already?
Yeah, I put it in already.
No way.
Nice. Very good. Another one. Okay, you take some. Oh, already hear some cracking, huh? Nice. Hug. Go bit the right arm up is a bit easier for me because you're a very big guy. Yeah, good, very good.
Oh,
Wow.
that was...
That was
yeah.
like an earthquake.